नमस्कार। मैं डॉक्टर सुजाता सिंघी जी का अभिनंदन करता हूँ, उन्हें शुभेच्छा देता हूँ। रिक्लेम योर रिचेस इस पुस्तिका का अनावरण करने का सौभाग्य उन्होंने मुझे प्राप्त करके दिया। हिंदू जीवन पद्धति से किस तरह से जीवन जिया जाता है, इसके अनेक पहलू इस पुस्तिका में उन्होंने अंकित किया है। और हिंदुत्व इज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ, हिंदुइज्म इज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी डिफाइन किया है। हजारों साल से हमारी जो जीवन शैली है, हमारी जो जीवन पद्धति है, उसको दुनिया ने अपनाया है। और मैं मानता हूँ कि इस पुस्तिका के विमोचन से, इस पुस्तिका में जो कुछ बातें लिखी है उसको अंगीकार करने से हम अगली पीढ़ी को भी हमारे देश के जो रूढ़ी परंपरा है उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। इतनी ताकत इस पुस्तिका के लिखान में है। मैं चाहूँगा कि अधिक से अधिक लोग, और ख़ास करके हमारे जो आज के युवा वर्ग है, उन्होंने इस पुस्तिका को पढ़ना चाहिए। इसके जो मूल अच्छे विचार है उसको अंगीकार भी करना चाहिए, और अंगीकार करने के बाद में उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करने का भी प्रयत्न अगर हम लोग करते हैं तो हम सारे लोग मिलकर अपने देश को बहुत बड़ी भेंट दे सकते हैं, बहुत बड़ी देन दे सकते हैं। यही मुझे इस पुस्तिका के विमोचन के अवसर पर कहना है। मैं फिर एक बार डॉक्टर सुजाता सिंघी जी का अभिनंदन करता हूँ। एक गृहिणी होकर अपने दैनंदिन जीवन में बहुत सारे कामों को करने के बाद में भी समय निकालकर इस प्रकार का पुस्तक लिखना चाहिए, ऐसा मन में विचार आना, यही बहुत बड़ी बात है। लेकिन उन्होंने सारे विचारों को पुस्तिका में अंकित करके समाज को देने का जो प्रयास किया, इसलिए फिर एक बार उनका मैं अभिनंदन करता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
रिक्लेम योर रिचेस यह पुस्तक का विमोचन करते हुए बहुत ही प्रसन्नता हो रही है। इस पुस्तक की लेखिका डॉक्टर सुजाता सिंघी एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर है और एक आध्यात्मिक साइंटिस्ट भी है। मार्गी प्रबोधिनी के अनेक उपक्रमों में डॉक्टर सुजाता जी हमें मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए आती है। मनुष्य को जीवन में यदि सुखी बनना है तो मनुष्य की अंतरात्मा क्या है, जिसे सेल्फ अवेयरनेस कहते हैं, ये सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, स्वयं के व्यक्तित्व को जानना, ये अत्यंत आवश्यक होता है। इस पुस्तक के माध्यम से सुजाता जी ने हमें वही मार्ग दिखाया है कि पहले खुद को जानो। यदि व्यक्ति खुद को जानती है तो उसका व्यक्तित्व का विकास होता है। तो यह पुस्तक हमारे सबके लिए प्रेरणादायी है। मैं सुजाता जी को इस पुस्तक के लिए हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं और उनके आगे के लेखन के लिए मैं ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। बहुत बहुत
Hi friends, today we are going to have the launch of Dr. Sujata's latest book. It's an honor and a privilege to launch her book. So here is the book being unveiled for all of us. Yes friends, here is the book for all of us. Reclaim Your Riches by Dr. Sujata Singhi. Congratulations ma'am on this wonderful new book of yours. It's an honor to launch this book, and this is something that all of us should read and cherish. Once again, Dr. Sujata, congratulations.
Start.
Friends, it's a privilege to speak about the book that we just launched of Dr. Sujata Singhi, that is Reclaim Your Riches. I'm fortunate to actually get a copy of the book and go through it. Before I talk about the book, I will talk about the person, the author, Dr. Sujata Singhi. The name itself gives you a lot of respect about somebody who has worked in the knowledge field. Not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 doctorates along with a DLic. Yeah, that's her research, and that's a contribution to the field of knowledge. You know, this book actually is something that even President Pranab Mukherjee has spoken about, previous books, and he says, it's a boon to mankind. So looking at the series of books that has been written by her, I'm fortunate to tell you a little bit about the book itself. You know, there are many books being written on how to become successful, positive thinking. But I personally believe that along with the positive thinking, we also require spiritual thinking. And this is the best part about the book. You know, it's got the basis of spirituality, our great Vedic culture. And she's trying to bring it out to our particular generation in a very different format. This book, of course, has got the principles, about the ideas that how it can be useful in our personal lives. But what I personally like about this particular book is what we call as case studies or examples of people who are successful. And what I like is that all of them are amazing personalities of their respective fields. I was quite surprised when I saw some of my friends also being featured in this particular book. You have a spiritual guru, you have a corporate tycoon, to a woman who has actually made it out of difficult times. So it's got a gamut of different personalities. And I can tell you this, that each of the story in this particular book is also very inspiring because they are guiding our generation. And it is very important that we have the examples of Indian spirituality also becoming successful in the world outside. My teacher, Dr. Shubhra Joshi, used to always tell, India is about having success of two types, Abhyudaya and Nishrayasa. That means spiritual success inside and worldly success outside. This book will help you and understand both of them. Thank you, Dr. Sujata, for writing such a wonderful book and giving me a privilege and honor to be part of this book launch. Congratulations once again.
Reclaim your riches. India is a country of sages. The sages were true scientists of the past. They have taught us many lessons which are being still verified by the modern science. India has been blessed by one of such scientists, Dr. Sujata Singh Ji. Dr. Sujata Singh Ji has understood the riches of those saints and also explored the stories and the real life gifts of people like her and summarized all this into her book, Know Your Riches. So from India for the whole world, contribution of Dr. Sujata Singh is marvelous and it can help heal various ailments. Effect of sound acts as a miracle on the human mind and human body, and those waves of sounds are curative. I compliment Dr. Sujata Singh Ji for doing this nice work with which I was also actively associated. Congratulations, Dr. Sujata Singh Ji, on the release of your book. Thank you.
To everyone present here. It gives me immense pleasure to be able to host the book launch of Reclaim Your Riches. My guru and author, Dr. Sujata Singh Ji, is an international best-selling author of the book Power of Sound, which has won numerous awards and has also been titled as a boon to mankind by our past president, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. Dr. Sujata Singh Ji is also a speaker, a prolific trainer, a wealth and wellness coach, sound and spiritual scientist who has been conferred with 5 doctorates and a D.Litt. Dr. Sujata Singh Ji, your Reclaim Your Riches book has been a transformational journey for anyone who has known you. What inspired you to write this amazing book? The title itself is so enticing and so powerful. I'm sure all your readers would love to know what was the inspiration behind this amazing book.
Thank you and namaste. Thank you for the wonderful introduction, Vivita. With regards to Reclaim Your Riches, this thought came to me in the form of a book later, but the title came in before. The reason is it is the title which has come very intuitive to me. I had not even thought about this title. It came just like a jiffy. I just thought, what next? And this is what came up. And the subtitle also. So I would say I have not invested even a second to get this title of the book. And coming to what the book is about, the power of the book, as you mentioned, yes, it's very powerful and people would look forward to. Now, Reclaim Your Riches by itself shares that it's time to bring about something which we already have. It's about reclaiming, not about creating. So, having thought about this aspect, and as a spiritual scientist, I often wondered why people look outward to get things in their life, to get happiness in their life, to feel fulfilled in their life. There was something which we were missing. There was one particular thread that we were not aware of. We were not able to look at it. And why not attract the same into our lives, use it, experience it, and then share it to the world? That was my movement. And that is how Reclaim Your Riches came up.
Wonderful, ma'am. This book, the title and everything, it holds so much power. And one of the things that I would love to ask you, and I'm sure the readers would also like to know, is what is the message that the book holds for the readers? How can they, reclaim their riches, as you've said, in the best possible way, ma'am?
Yes, the message which the book gives is how we can balance our spiritual and material life. Because life is all about balance. There is nothing in between. And to balance that, we need to understand the spirit within us, how powerful it is, how it can be awakened, how we can awaken not just our spiritual life, but at the same time, our material life. Because I feel a person who is hungry cannot be into spiritual practice for sure. You need to have all your needs met effortlessly. Only then you can make time for your spiritual practices, for your spiritual involvement. Just like the Maslow's theory, we need to have our basic needs met first before we can go into our self-realization or self-actualization. So I was into this thought as to what best form could I give it to the world. What is it that a person needs to inculcate in their life on a regular basis? It should be simple, it should be practical, highly effective, scientific, and also hold the ancient wisdom. So bringing all these feathers together, I formulated this particular book in the form of I could say it's a bird which will help you soar high. And Reclaim Your Riches makes you aware about oneself, your own identity, your life purpose. And there is a chapter in the book which is about dare to dream, design your destiny. How people can design their destiny, but to design the destiny, they need to be having some very, very important aspects cleared out in their mind. Because where there is confusion, there is chaos. And where there is clarity, there is abundance. So on this theme, there are a lot of things which I have put in together in this book to enable a person to be able to take the flight of success in all aspects. Not just in money terms. Money terms, yes, of course, you can measure your success. But only money, I would not call it as success. All the other parameters of life, which contributes to happiness, also needs to be there. So this book, I would say it's more or less my years of experience put together and brought in the simplest form of how a person can take the self-leadership, guide their lives in such a way that they reach success, the pathway to success. So yes, readers, when you read the book, I would like to hear your success stories, and that is going to give me the fulfillment.
Thank you, ma'am. I cannot wait to get my hands on the first copy of Reclaim Your Riches, because all of us have our own leadership qualities, but many a times we actually surpass and not understand how we can put the right kind of framework and pathway towards reclaiming them. We don't know where to look for, and a lot of times we are consumed by self-doubt. A lot of questions and external factors have always prevented not just me, but a lot of people from reclaiming that they already have. And I'm sure, ma'am, that this book would create a tremendous rippling effect for a lot of people who find that inner strength and reclaim what is rightfully theirs within themselves. I cannot talk enough about the power of sound. The book has been transformational to understanding how basic sounds that are existing all around us can actually contribute to our well-being, wealth, and understanding. And you have put it so beautifully in Power of Sound in such simple language as to how we can use sound, a medium which has existed since time immemorial, to actually elevate ourselves and to be a better person, a better human being, and more self-aware through the power of sound. I would urge all our readers to also grab and get a copy of Power of Sound because it has been transformational. And I would also like to take this opportunity to say that Sujata Singhi has been my own personal guru. She has created so much of positive transformation in me. She has brought out the best of my abilities out, both professionally and personally, and it has created a tremendous impact on my life and also on the people that I touch. And I think that is the beauty of sound. And also when it comes to Reclaim Your Riches, that is the rippling beauty that Sujata Singhi ji can actually provide anyone who reads her book. So, ma'am, thank you so much for actually taking the time and putting all your experience together for people like us who want to make a change and a positive impact, not only with ourselves but also with the world around us. And like you rightly put, once we go through this personal transformation, everything that we go for has become a transformation on its own, and it's been a beautiful journey so far with you, ma'am. So having said that, ma'am, you've been conducting so many trainings, talks across various countries, and have trained over 3 lakh people from corporate backgrounds, bureaucrats, educationalists, celebrities, public leaders, professionals, universities, hospitals, businessmen. What do you think, or who do you think is the target audience for your book Reclaim Your Riches?
Yes, as you have mentioned, the people whom I have been able to impact along this journey as a speaker, trainer, and also as a coach. With regards to Reclaim Your Riches, it is about the people who are looking at leadership. Now, leadership, when I say it, leadership is applicable to all aspects of our life. So, this book also holds the stories of people who have been able to reclaim their riches by using the various tools which I have mentioned in the book. So, I would say, be it business leaders, startups, entrepreneurs, the youth of the country, educationists, trainers, coaches, anybody who loves money, I guess this book is for you. And especially if I have to speak about what is the importance of this book in the lives of people, I would say, if you are able to use the tools which are very clearly, simply, and very scientifically stated in this book, anybody will be able to reclaim their riches. And the motto and the vision, mission of mine, I would say, is only to create joyous living with the right frequencies in a person's life by raising the vibrations and being able to create a rippling effect wherever they go. Like rightly said by Niveta, she's been associated with me for quite some time now, and I have seen her, how she has bloomed into a beautiful human being, how she's creating the rippling effect with all the people around her. So if a person can do it, sooner the better, we can create a whole beautiful nation. And as a nation builder, I would say yes, even the public leaders do read the book, because it is not just about money, it is also about how you lead others. So how to move ahead, soar high, understand our lives in a better way, and create the transformation is what this book is all about. So if I would say the target audience, it is anybody. If you love money, this book is for you.
Very beautifully said, ma'am. And one thing that I've always noticed about you, let it be all your conferences, all your personal training programs, ma'am, your energy is contagious. It has been so positive. Just even when I was reading Power of Sound, it's like I could feel the energy, the lift in my vibration when I read Power of Sound. So my bigger question to you is, what is the secret of your energy? I have always seen you fresh and ready to go. So what is it?
Yeah, you're asking the secret. Wonderful. I would say that we as human beings, we are powerhouses. We do not need to shut down any time from the time we wake up to the time we go to sleep. Now, often people ask me, do you sleep in the noon? Have you ever slept in the noon? I tell them, what is the need? If you are driven by your passion, you find the energy to run through the day and with the same energy. You will not find a person who is very passionate about their work, who's able to do what they want to do in life, impacting life, feeling the contribution which they give, in fact, actually is also a contribution they receive from the people. So yes, in the book Power of Sound, I have revealed my secrets. So one can read the book and figure out what is it I do on a regular basis, which keeps me on the go. In fact, there have also been instances when I was taking trainings abroad, there were people who had forgotten that we also had a lunch break or we had a dinner. We had a training program on which started from 9:30 in the morning and we closed down somewhere around 11, and people said the participants said we did not feel hungry, it is so engrossing. Now, this particular energy, when we talk about, it's all about frequencies. So what we are vibrating at is what is radiated, and what we radiate is what we receive. So this is just the gist, but how to raise your vibrations? This book is a must for you if you want to know how to raise your vibration, because it also speaks how raising your vibrations of the mind, body and spirit can awaken the money manifester in you. Everybody works for money at the end of the day because you need to lead your life. But if you are only making money, you are missing out on living. So it's very important to live, and money gets attracted to you rather than you running behind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, because it creates such a positive note for us to know that something as simple as changing our vibration frequently would allow us to attract everything that we desire, and the journey starts from within. Ma'am, so with this, I want to know, what is the message, the correct message that you want to spread to our readers and viewers? What is that one single thing that you want them to always remember and take forward with them?
Yes, one message which actually transformed my life is what I would like to share with all of you. It's very important to understand that life is very short. We all come with a limited time, and what we do in that time is what matters. So make a choice wisely. Do not waste time in confusion. Be in the company of champions who will allow you to win, and also at the same time, do not miss out any opportunity where you can contribute, because this lifetime is the journey, and what we pack is what we are going to bring forward, as we rightly say, karma. So every human being, please remember we have limited time. Make the most of it. Enjoy it to the fullest. Don't run behind things which are illusionary. And if you are running behind that, your vibrations will never rise, and you will never be able to live a life which you are born for. So I would only say, all dear viewers, all our readers, read the book, understand your life, understand why you are here, what is it that you can leave behind, and everything will manifest on itself.
That's beautiful, ma'am. I'm sure all our readers who, as soon as they can get their copy on Reclaim Your Riches, will find not only how and the right kind of projection as to how they can reach their riches and reclaim them, but also know how to create positivity for themselves in their life, and also to add value to themselves before they add value to others. So ma'am, I think this is a book, especially in these kind of testing times, that would create a beautiful impact for a lot of people. Our readers especially will benefit so much from your amazing thoughts. And I'm sure that everyone who has Reclaim Your Riches are going to find the best possible way to reclaim their inner riches. Thank you so much. It's been brilliant to have you.
Thank you. On this note, during the pandemic times, there is a lot of issues which are being faced by people, especially with regards to mental health. And as a speaker on mental health on various platforms across the world, which also includes the UN, and the third important SDG, that is the Sustainable Development Goal, we talk about importance of mental health. And I take this opportunity to tell the readers and all our viewers, wherever you are, remember one thing: what you think is what you become. If you are able to take care of your mental health, you will be able to take care of your physical health. And how to take care of the mental health, there are various processes which have been shared. And in this book, I have also added 3 important guided processes, which is in the form of meditation, which the people, the readers can go through and practice on a regular basis, not just to reclaim their riches, but also to take care of their mental well-being on a regular basis. So yes, taking care of oneself is the responsibility we have to take charge of. Nobody else can help us if we cannot help ourselves. So read the books. Reclaim Your Riches is for you. Power of Sound is for you. Cut the Crap is also for you. So just extend, move ahead, and read. Make time for yourself. After all, we live only once.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I am sure you will create a positive impact with Reclaim Your Riches, and we are wishing all our readers the best way forward to know how to reclaim your riches in the world to come. Thank you so much, Dr. Sujata.
Thank you. Namaste.